What's up guys, back again with another video. In this video I am going to demonstrate how to find any hidden directory on your website. So let's start the video. In this video I am using dirBuster GUI tool for Windows. You can easily download from Google. If you have any problem to download this tool, I'll give the link in the description box. You can easily download from here. So let's start the video. Here you can see I have already installed. Just open the dirbuster.jar. Here you can see the simple interface of this application. First option is target URL. You can simply put your target URL. I'm just putting for demonstration purpose google.com. The second option is working method. The first option is get request only. Option is hit and get. What is a get request? It means you can only retrieve or fetch the data from the server using get method. The another option is what is a head. In head method, similar to the get method, in case of head method, you can retrieve only the header of the response. The next option is number of threads. What is number of threads? Thread means at a time how many combination will try. Because we are using the brute force method, one important thing, if it is increased, then there will be a chance you might be logged on the target system on the server. Always keep in mind. The minimum thread is 1, the maximum thread is 100. If you click on go faster, you can boost on extreme the 500. The minimum recommendation is 10. I'm just putting 10. The next option is select scan type. First option is list based brute force method and second option is pure brute force method. In briefly I am discussing what is a brute force. A brute force attack is a password cracking technique that used to trial and error to crack the password. Here all the possible of combination will try to guess the correct password. The first option is list based brute force method. That means we have to give some word list to perform the brute force. Where you can find the word list, just simply click on browse. Here you can see choose anyone from there. I'm simply choose a medium.txt. The another option is pure brute force method. In pure brute forcing method, first you have to set the character set. Character set you can use capital small with number and special characters. Next option is small capital with number. Another option is small with number and number. The minimum length of the password is 1. The maximum is 8. For your requirement, you can change it. For this video, I am using the list based brute force method. The next option is starting point. I am using standard starting point. That means directory start with slash. Slash is represented top level directory or root. All the directory starting with the root directory. The next option is brute force directory. If you want to get the only directory, then simply you can choose. If you want to get the directory with their files, then you can choose. The next option is blank extension. What is blank extension? Blank extension refers to a file that does not have any specific file type. If you want to find that type of file, you can easily use it. The next option is file extension .php, and that means logging.php or whatever. So we are almost done. So let's start. Okay, here you can see the lots of result is coming. For demonstration purpose, I am using google.com. Okay, Google is very vast domain. That's why it is takes long time. You can see here 23 days. Okay, I just stop. You can see here the lots of result is coming. The first option is type. Here is a directory or file. Then found and response size includes status. You can simply filter from here with 200 response code. What is 200 response code? 200 response code means the server accept this request. That means okay. You can simply click on response. It will be filter all the 200 response in the top. The next option is size. You can simply see the size, include and status. So let's open the one links. Simply click on right and open in browser. Here you can see the home page of this Google. Let's see, open another, the shopping. This is the shopping page of this Google. Okay, you can manually check one by one. In real life scenario, you have to manually check one by one for further recon or deep analysis. If you want to more detail on those response, you can simply select any one from those. I'm just selecting the root. Just click on the view response. You can see here or more detailed information. If you have good knowledge about networking and HTML, you can easily understand this response. The first option is HTTP 1.1, that means this is refers to the HTTP version. Second option is 200 response code, that means okay. You can simply analysis the response. Okay, we are almost done. If you want to save the output, you can simply click on report. You have to choose a physical location on your disk. Click on a browser. I am just selecting one. Select the browser and click on generate report. You can see the report in here. Okay, just go back. That's all for this video. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel for further video. Thank you so much.